Hi and welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. In this video, we'll see how to transfer name for water connection in Meghalaya. The link I'm highlighting here is also provided in the description below the video. You can click on it to reach this page. In this page, we have gathered all the necessary information and instructions required for successful name transfer of water connection. Also, on the top left corner of the page, you can see there's a select language tab. With the help of that, you can select whichever language that you prefer and view this procedure in that language. Over here, we can see that in order to transfer the ownership of an existing water connection, you need to visit the office of Executive Engineer of Water Supply in your area. We have provided a contact link over here, and also over here we have provided the address, phone number and fax number, and also more links are provided over here. These contact links, you can click on them and you will be taken to a new page where you will find more contact details. Like you can see over here, the email IDs of the officers are provided. So with the help of these details, you can get in touch with the authorities beforehand to know about their available timings and plan your visit accordingly. But before visiting the office, you need to prepare certain documents. For that, we have prepared a list over here. In this list, you can see you need to have the ownership certificate of your house, and also you need to have the sale deed of the house, and also uh, the latest tax paid receipt, and you also need to have last bill of water charges with no due, and you also need to possess an affidavit in the stamp paper of required value, and you need to have an NOC or the death certificate of the previous owner, or you need to have an indemnity bond having clause of NOC. Then you also need to provide an address and ID proof. For that, you can use your Aadhaar card or your driving license or your ration card, voter ID or your PAN card. So you need to have a couple of photocopies of these documents because you will be asked to attach them to the application form. Also, it is best to carry the originals while visiting the office because the authorities will ask them for cross verification purpose. So after visiting the office, you need to pay a small application form fee, and you can procure the application form for transfer of ownership of an existing water connection. So you need to fill in all the required details in that application form, and then you need to attach the photocopies of all the documents that I mentioned earlier, and then you can submit it to the concerned authority. So after submitting, the authorities will first check whether all the necessary documents have been submitted, and then they will ask for a processing fee. Once you pay the processing fee, you will receive an acknowledgement receipt, or you can request for a photocopy of the form to be countersigned for future reference. After that, some site verification will take place, and after that, the authorities will make the necessary changes in the computer records, which will be in effect before the next billing cycle. That is, by the time you receive your next water bill, the name change would have taken place. So that brings us to the end of this process. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you.